Morning, my darling. How did you sleep? Good. Amazing news. How did I sleep? Not so good, my darling. Why? Oh, I had a bad dream, didn't I? A kitchen nightmare, if you will. What was it about? Oh, nothing really. I just dreamt that I was strapped to a chair and someone was taking a power drill to my fucking skull. Oh, no, wait a minute. That wasn't a dream. It was you! Snoring all through the night like a pig! You're a French pig! And not to mention that before you got into bed, you slung all your shit on my desk, didn't you? You dirty little bitch! Now take your vape and your crystals and fuck off!
Oh